Hello guys, my name is Rachandeep Singh from the Millennium School Patiala. So today we are going to make a beetle game, and for that first of all we are going to select the sprite. To select the sprite, click on the sprite environment and from there select the beetle one. And now we have inserted the beetle. Now we are going to remove the previous sprite, that was Toby, and now we are going to select the background environment. From there we are going to select the maze one. Now we have inserted, and let's start the coding environment. Go to the Python block, click on go ahead, and after that we are going to start with it. First of all, as we are going to insert the while loop, and for that we are going to write down while, and along with that we are going to specify the condition while 1 means whenever it will be going to be true, it is going to execute. And in that one we are going to write down the first thing, that is if statement, and in that I'm going to specify if sprite is key pressed, and in that one we are going to specify the all the keys left, right, up and down. So in that one we are going to specify up arrow, and in up arrow we are going to specify if it is going to move into the upward direction, what it is going to do. Then we are going to specify set direction is equal to 0. Whenever it is going to move into up direction, it is going to change the direction to 0 and move to 5 steps. Then we are going to change the direction for the next one. Again, if statement. And along with that, as you can see that sprite was into the center direction, we are going to change its direction to the starting point and changing the coordinates of x and y as well. And along with that, we have set the size of the sprite as 60. And this is the way from where you can change the direction of the sprite. Now moving to the next one. Now we are going to specify the sprite next direction, that is down arrow, and in that one we are going to specify the direction as well. Whenever we are going to press the down direction, it is going to change the direction to 180 degree, and again going to move the sprite to 5 steps. And after that, now we are going to change the sprite key for the left one as well as for the right one. Whenever we are going to specify for the left arrow, then at that time we are going to change the direction as -90 degree, and again we are going to move the sprite for the 5 steps. And again for the right arrow, again we are going to change the direction as 90 degree, and again moving it to 5 steps. Now till here you can see that my code has been created, and now I'm going to execute this one code. Till now, whenever I'm going to click on run, now you can see whenever I'm going to press any key, my sprite will going to move into the left and right direction, whichever is required. But here you can see that there is some problem, that whenever the sprite is going to touch the black screen, it is not going to change any position. For that we need to change its direction as well. you can see that I am over the black lines, but there is no change in the movement of sprite. But what I want, whenever I'm going to click on, whenever I'm going to reach on the black lines, it should be set to reset to the starting point. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to write down the code where I'm going to specify if sprite is touching color. For that, we are going to specify sprite dot touching color. For black one, the RGB code is always 000, and for white one, it is 255. I am going to specify its X and Y direction. First of all, direction will be 0, and changing the X and Y coordinates, where I'm going to specify the X coordinate as well as the Y coordinate. Do remember that coordinates may vary from system to system. You have to check the coordinates by yourself. Here you can see that I'm going watching some error regarding that arguments are not passed properly. Basically, there is a error of bracket which I am going to remove now. And now you can see whenever the sprite is touching the black line, it is coming back to its starting position. Now, when what will happen whenever the sprite is going to reach to the apple? So for that, the color code is red, and for RGB code, we are going to follow 255, and for G and B, it will be 0. And after that, we are going to display a message that you won, and it will be displayed for 4 seconds. And here we are going to break the loop as well. Now you can see, now we are going to play the game. Here you can see the output that I'm moving the sprite with the help of my up and down arrows. We have to be very careful so that sprite doesn't touches any black line. And now we are about to reach to the our destination, and you can see the message displayed as you won. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned for the next class. See you.